Hold on. I'm gonna distance it from under. Oh my god.
Yun,
Is your item
Kasi,
Hindi,
ulit
basta
na
na
yan.
ilaw.
Item ko!
Is your item festive?
Ano ito yung akin?
Let's add some festive questions.
Oh, wait na. Oh, okay, wait lang.
Nakabili na ba? Kasi?
Oh,
Yes.
okay. I have pencil case.
Kasi ko ito. I
Yung pang elementary.
have I have Santa Claus.
Can you drop it? Anong Santa Claus yan?
The Santa Claus thingy. The singing Santa Claus.
Okay, ask ka.
Ba?
Ano?
Just walk up.
Ito.
Ano?
What do you have again? Can you
Pencil
open
case.
the pencil case?
Yes.
Open!
Open na. Open na. Ito close.
Okay.
Ano?
Ano ka?
Ay.
Ano ba? Lalo nakakalimutan.
Pwede mo ba i-play yan? Or no?
No.
Shake mo.
Shit, yes.
Okay, okay.
This shit is
Ask ka.
broken. Can you get something in the pencil case?
Yes.
Ask me.
Kasi yung kamay nga. Can you roll it?
Why are you asking?
Okay, okay. Ask.
Can you drop it? Pencil case. Go outside daw. Okay.
Yung ano, may open and close.
Halos lahat ng
Pencil
pencil
case,
case may
meron.
open and close.
Tapos sa likod meron din.
Lahat yan. Okay. Do I ask you?
Yes.
Okay. Tap it.
Ito mo yun.
Can you... Pwede matanggal yung ibang gamit yan?
Ha?
Pwede matanggal?
Pwede naman.
Try mo nga.
Wait. Never mind. No.
Pwede? No. I-ganto-ganto mo siya.
Ha?
Ganto-ganto mo siya. Oh, ask mo. Ano?
Can you like... Can you shake it? That doesn't look like... Ask me. That's new.
Can you drop it?
You asked that twice, bro. You asked that
You don't
once.
Go. Okay.
Okay, what do you think?
I do think you have Santa Claus. The singing Santa Claus count. I have pencil case. What do you think it is?
That is not a pencil case.
What do you think it is?
A box.
A box
Of something.
of something?
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Jewelry.
Huh?
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, bro.
3,
2, 1. No!
I have a jewelry box. I
Round.
have
Sewing kit.
Sewing kit.
Round
I
core
see.
na kasi post mo.
Sewer.